Okay, here is my second unboxing video for this Thursday. It is the In Space Red Ecliptor. If anyone remembers that, I'm sure you do. He was only in like one episode for not very long. Alright, let's get him out and see what goes on. So, I've got to find out where in the world oh, it's on the side, okay? So, we decide like that. Let's see if we can take him out. And there we go. It's in the bubble packaging. Can you see it? Alright. So, right here. I think he's going. Nope, there we go. Alright, there's the figure. Now, that's that. Let's get the rest of this stuff out. There is a lightning effect hand. Bring that farther so you can see it. Lightning effect hand. Closer to there. And there's the fist for his right side. Oh, let me see it. The fist. See if it'll focus there. Okay. And then here we have the sword. So let's see if it'll go in. Like that. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yep. And there's Ecliptor's face. Let's see, the joints look like they're pretty good. Ooh, a little tight there. Yep. And the swivel. Okay, that's good. And what about this one? Oh, that one's good. There we go. Legs. Yep. Legs there. Torso. Pretty much standard torso for Lightning Collection. The head up, left and right. Up. Well, there's that much for down. That much for up. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Let's see, T-bar stance. Can't really get that arm up that far, but there it is for that. And the joints. There we go. Alright. And there. See if I can get the other one. Alright, I'm not going to worry about it. I can do it later. But there he is. And let's see him up against some Space Rangers. So here I have Andros. That's pretty good. Looks alright. He's a little bit taller, but that's what you expect for Ecliptor. So we take Andros away. And let's see him up against a bigger one. There it is with Touchy Pig. Let's see. Touchy Pig and Ecliptor. Back a little bit. There we go. That's out of the way. And yeah, pretty good. So, all in all, I think it's a pretty good figure. And I don't know. Let me know what you think, because I think it's pretty good. I haven't been able to get the regular one yet, but you never know. But there he is. In Space Red Ecliptor.